All right, let's look at 4A for section 6.2. So I'm not going to write the steps this time, but I'll verbalize them to you. We're going to pick two equations, and then we're going to eliminate one of the variables. So I'm going to take the first and the third equations. So I'll take the 3x plus 4y minus 2z equals 14. And then I'm going to pick that bottom equation, and then I'm going to save myself a little step here. So I know for this bottom equation that I have to multiply it by a -3 so that that x will go away. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply and distribute that -3. So I get a -3x plus 3y minus 3z equals 27. Now I'm going to add those together. When I add those together, the x is eliminated. And I get 7y minus 5z equals 20, 30, 41. All right, and then I'm going to circle that equation because I'm going to need it again in a few minutes. All right, step 2, pick any two equations different from the first two you chose and eliminate the same variable. So this time I'm going to pick the second equation and the third equation. So the second equation is 2x plus y plus 2z equals -9. And the third one, this time to eliminate that x, I'm going to have to multiply by a -2. So I'm going to just put a -2 out here. So I have to eliminate a -2 this time. So I'm going to distribute that -2 and ignore that -3. So I get a -2x plus 2y minus 2z equals a +18. Now I'm going to draw my line. And notice again that my x is eliminated. You don't have to always eliminate the x, but you have to eliminate the same variable both times. Now I get 3y. Oh, look, the z got eliminated also. Nice. So the z is gone. So I get 3y equals 9. Divide both sides by 3, and I get y equals 3. All right, I have y. Now I'm going to go back into either one of these two equations. So let's go into, I can't go into any one I want. I'm going to go back into this equation. So I'm going to take that 7y, but now I know y is 3, so 7 times 3 minus 5z equals 41. 7 times 3 is 21 minus 5z equals 41. Subtract 21 from both sides, I get a -5z equals 20. Divide both sides by 5, and I get z equals a -4. So now I have my y and I have my z. And for the last step, I'm going to go back into any one of the first three equations. I'm going to choose the one that looks like it would be the easiest, so I'm going to go back into this one because it looks like the simplest of the three. And I'm going to put in my x and my y. So I get my y and my z. So I get x minus y, which is 3, plus z, which is a -4, has to equal a -9. So I get x minus 7 equals -9. Add 7 to both sides. I get x equals a -2. And there's my x. And of course I give the answer as an ordered triple, with the x goes first, the y is second, and the z is third. And there's the solution to this system.